Good morning. Today we are continuing to work on our probabilities. We are working on Po40. I can calculate the probability of a single event. So first we need to know what probability is. We talked about that last week. It is the likelihood of an event occurring. So remember we had that scale of probability where we had 0% all the way to 100%. 0% is it will not happen. 100% is it is definitely happening. 50% in the middle. So if it's between 0% and 50%, it's not likely. Between 50% and 100%, it is likely to happen. Now we have a probability formula that we're going to be using. So this formula is very important. We can word it in different ways. It all means the same thing. Okay? One way to word it is what you want to happen divided by what could happen. Now, another way to word that is your desired outcomes divided by your possible outcomes. So the outcomes that we talked about in that last objective are the possible outcomes. How many total possible outcomes are there? So that's what we're dividing by. Desired outcomes, I want to pick a red marble out of the bag of different colored marbles. So however many red marbles are in that bag is my desired number of outcomes. Total possible outcomes are how many marbles altogether are in the bag. So let's look at how we use that formula. So desired over total possible. And then we're going to just say, we're going to look at what that percentage probability is. We're going to get a decimal as our answer. We take a small number divided by a big number, right? Small number, there's not 100%, unless you have a bag of marbles that are all red, right? Then it would be 100%, you're going to get a red marble. Most of these are not 100%ers. So small number divided by the big number, the total possible, you get a decimal. Turn that decimal into a percentage. So that is your probabilities, that percentage. And then we're going to say, is it a likely percent or an unlikely percent? So we have 60 marbles in our bag. 9 are red, 24 are blue, 15 are white, and 12 are yellow. What's our possible outcome? What would our possible outcome be for any of our questions? Elliot? Well, yeah, so how many? It tells us. If we add all those different colors up, it's 60 marbles altogether. That is our total possible number of outcomes. So if we say, what is the probability of choosing a red marble? What do I put on the top? Colton?
The possible the desired.
So what would the desired be?
9.
9. There are 9 red marbles. So our desired outcome, we have 9 chances of getting it. There's 9 red in there. Our total possible would be 60. So now you got to use your calculator. What is, remember I said we're turning our decimal into a percent, so we're rounding to the 100th place. What is our decimal, Ellen? So I said decimal, so you give me the decimal, 0.15. Then we turn our decimal into a percent. Like Ellen said, 0.15 is 15%. Now we need to say, is that 15% likely or unlikely? Say it louder. Not likely. What is the probability of choosing a yellow marble? Desired over total possible. What is my desired number? Finley? There are 12 yellow. That's my desired. We know there are 60 total. What is 12 divided by 60, Helen?
0.2.
0.2. What percent is that? Ellie? 20%, because remember, our percents have to go out to that 100th place. Put that 0 in the 100th spot. It's distracting. So, 20% likely or not likely? Everybody. Not likely. It's less than 50%. Now, what is the probability of choosing blue or white? What is our desired number going to be? Madeline?
39.
How did you get 39, Madeline? I don't see a 39 up there.
I added 24 plus 50.
Madeline looked at the blue number and the white number and she added them together. So we have 39 over our total possible of 60. What decimal is that? Gavin? 0.65, which is what percentage, Gavin? 65%. Everyone, likely or not likely? Likely it is greater than 50%. What is the probability of choosing red, white, or yellow? What is our desired number, Henry?
Desired number is 36.
36, because I had to add up the red number, the white number, and the yellow number. We have a total outcome of, total possible of 60. What is 36 divided by 60? Ellen?
0.6.
Which is what percent, Ellen?
60%.
And likely or not likely, everyone? Okay? Now, your thing is you look at what is the total possible, that goes on the bottom. What is desired, that is what is going to go on the top. Let's look at our work page. The letters of the alphabet, 26, are placed in a hat. So what is our total possible number? Excuse me? 26. What is the probability of choosing a vowel? How many vowels? Not Y. How many vowels?
6.
Nope. Sarah? 5. A-E-I-O-U.
Oh, I don't know why it's 6.
So, if there are 5 vowels, how many consonants are there? Clara? 21. Because there's 26 altogether, right? What is the probability of choosing a letter A to N or S to Z? You have to count up. How many letters are in A to N? How many letters are in S to Z? What is the probability of choosing any letter in the phrase SVDP was? So for all of these, your total possible outcomes is that 26. You have different desired amounts. Make sure you are showing your work. So all the steps I put on the front, you make your fraction, you write what the decimal is, you write what the percent is, you write is it likely or not likely. Now on the bottom you flip a coin 5 times. So, how many possible outcomes are there if we're flipping a coin 5 times? Grayson? Not 10. Think about our last objective and that total possible number. How do I find that total possible number? Think about our last objective. Henry?
You have different questions.
You don't have flipping the coin 5 times?
No.
Well, makes it easier for you, doesn't it? So instead of having to flip that coin and finding that total possible of 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, it wasn't just 5 times 2. Figure out, we'll use, we'll figure out the answers to yours, okay? Remember when I said, we're probably not gonna have work time today, but we do have 2 days of retakes. So we are not correcting, and we've got field trips and all the woo-hoo. We are correcting on Monday. So I'm not giving you work time today, but I do expect this to be done, Tuesday, because we don't have school Monday. We are correcting Tuesday. Okay? If you are watching this at home, I hope you are well, and I hope to see you soon. Have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like and subscribe.